So now let's see how to render this conditionally, okay, without using this extra variable content. Okay, so we can use that if else like logical operators, okay, logical conditions, okay, as like in JavaScript we can use directly inside this markup. Okay, so to do that we have to use the curly braces. Okay, so let's add on curly braces. Okay, now inside that we can directly use the one variable, okay, that is like already registered. Okay, already registered. Okay, now if this variable is available, okay, or else this one. Okay, now I will put the same here. Okay, if already registered, let's show the login component. If it is not, then let's show the registration component. The same whatever we have tried here outside the JSX, we can directly put inside the JSX also. Okay, now let's try. We have the is already registered as a true. Okay, so we should get the login form. Okay, let me remove this content variable also, so that we will not get these warnings. All right, so we should get the login form. All right, here you can see we can see the login form because we have this already registered as a true. Let me make it as a false. Okay, now we should get the registration form. All right, okay, so here you can see what I did. Like previously we were declaring the extra variable outside this JSX and creating the content dynamically, and that variable we are using in the JSX. Okay, so this is the way, in this way we can use the conditional like operations inside the JSX by using the curly braces. The curly braces, by using the curly braces we can put the any JavaScript logic or function or method inside this JSX. So for that we should use this curly brace. Okay, now I will show you another way. Okay, let's say if I don't want this ternary operator, if else condition, this is nothing but the if and else condition. Let's say I have the only if condition. Okay, and there is no registration form. Okay, let's say I have the only one login form. Okay, now whenever this is already registered is false, okay, no, make it as a true. Okay, whenever this is already registered is a true, I will show this login form. Okay, this is the only one condition I have. Okay, so how we can do that? Because previously we have seen using the ternary operator, this is nothing but the if else. Now I want only the if condition. So for that what you can do, directly you can use our logical and operator. So is already registered, if it is a true, then I will show this login component. This is nothing but the if condition you can directly use. Okay, curly braces, variable name, and logical operator, and whatever the component or conditional UI code you want to display, you can put here. Okay, now let me try. Because we have that registration, that's why it is getting the warning. So here you can see we are getting the login form. Okay, if I make it as a false, okay, I should not get this login form, means our screen will be blank. Perfect. So here you can see by using this logical and operator we can use the if condition. Okay, so in this way also we can add the conditional rendering.
You are new to channel, okay, please do subscribe, like and share the video, and do not forget to click on the notification bell icon, so that whenever the new upload or new tutorial series has started, you will get the notification. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.